Kennards Hire has a large range of pumps, from high-performance portable pumps ideal for small jobs and use around the home, to larger pumps to accommodate industrial projects, and submersible pumps that are ideal for cleaning out swimming pools or even pumping out sewage. We offer a variety of effective pumping applications, ideal for construction, dewatering, mining and exploration. We also have large industrial-sized pumps for larger jobs that need extra pumping power. Whether you need a large pump for a day, a month or a year, Kennards Hire are happy to help with competitive rates. Our submersible pumps span from small portable pumps to larger types. These little powerhouses are ideal for cleaning out swimming pools or pumping out raw sewage. For peace of mind, they can be left unattended. We can deliver to your site anywhere in the country, and because you're hiring from Kennards Hire, the equipment is backed by 24/7 service and support. For more information, visit the website or call into your nearest branch.
Kennards makes your job easy.